the best laptop for accountants can help with all the tasks and increase productivity. But the only problem you'll face while purchasing laptops for accountants is which one to pick. There are too many manufacturers in the market. My today's video is about top 5 best laptops for accountants that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Apple MacBook Air 15-inch M2. The best laptop for accountants, the new MacBook Air comes with Apple's M2 chip with a robust 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU. You will surely get a performance like no other while using software like Tally Solutions, Sage 50, QuickBooks, etc., thanks to the 24 GB of unified memory. If we talk about the display space essential for accounting-related work, you will see that the 15.3-inch display will live up to the mark by letting you use a split screen. One unique feature that makes it different from others is the device's silent design, which ensures that the laptop remains completely silent though you run heavy apps. In addition, you get a battery life of up to 18 hours by charging it once. Further, the Magic Keyboard has a backlit feature, giving it a unique touch. The response is also top-notch. If you want the best product in terms of performance, durability, longevity, and portability, getting this MacBook is a must. It will run all your accounting software easily without giving you any chance to complain. The keyboard is also something to die for, making the keystrokes effortless. Though the price is a bit high, we all know about the longevity of Apple products. So, it will be worth the investment. Now our second product is Acer Aspire Vero. One of the best laptops for accountants, Acer Aspire Vero, comes with Intel's 11th Gen i7 processor which can handle all the applications you need. In addition, you can run various accounting apps simultaneously thanks to the 16 GB DDR4 RAM. The processor features an integrated Intel Iris Xe, which provides average performance in terms of graphics. The keyboard that comes with the device is also very responsive and well-spaced. So, you will get a comfortable feel while typing for hours. Regarding the display performance, the 15.6-inch IPS display with a 170-degree viewing angle gives you a clear picture with 300 nits of brightness. When you completely charge it, the battery life lasts for up to 9.5 hours, making it ideal for usage in the great outdoors. The weight of the device also makes it portable. Moreover, it gives you enough security with Acer Bioprotection fingerprint solution. So, if you want to get one of the best laptops for accounting that can easily handle all your demanding applications, check out this product from Acer. The screen and the keyboard are likely to be fan favorites. With the help of the large battery capacity, you can also use it for many hours without thinking about recharging it. Moreover, the price makes it a popular choice among budget-conscious users. Our third product is Apple MacBook Air 13-inch M1. Apple's 2020 MacBook Air comes with the next-gen M1 chip with an 8-core CPU that can handle accounting applications like ACL Analytics, Excel, QuickBooks, Xero, etc. You can run multiple of these applications without experiencing any kind of lag. Moreover, the chip is energy efficient, lasting longer while on the go. If we talk about other features like keyboard, build quality, display, etc., that can help an accountant, you will see that most of them will take this device to the top. The high-res Retina display gives sharp text and vibrant colors. It will also ensure you are not stressed when working longer hours. So, if you ask, is MacBook Air good for accounting? Our answer is positive. So, if you're searching for one of the best laptops for accountants, this Apple product can be a perfect choice. We can ensure you will get the best experience, though the newer MacBook model will perform better. In addition, you can also consider it one of the best laptops for accounting students, thanks to the modest price range. Though we know that space can be an issue for users, if you want a portable option just for official work, hopefully, storage will be sufficient. Now number 4, Asus Zenbook Pro 15. One of the best laptops for accountants, this Asus Zenbook Pro comes with AMD Ryzen 7 with a 5800H CPU. In addition, you also get NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 along with it. So, if you're worrying about performance, rest assured that this device will seamlessly run all the powerful apps without any lag. In addition, you can use it to do other intensive work as well, such as video editing, designing, etc. What makes this portable device different from the previous products is the display. The stunning OLED display size is 15.6 inches with a very nano side bezel, which helps you to multitask using different calculative software. The keyboard is also among the best regarding key travel and response. Moreover, you can choose one with the Ryzen 9 processor if you're a student and have the urge to play games. The Asus Zenbook Pro is a good choice for accountants because it offers a powerful performance. In addition, the screen, portability, and other useful features make it something users will consider. If you're searching for one of the best accounting laptops which is reliable and effective, definitely check this one out. And our last choice is Dell XPS 139310. One of the best laptops for accountants in terms of compactness and design, Dell XPS 139310 comes with Intel Core i7 processor with 16GB LPDDR4X RAM. So, using all the memory-hungry apps, large spreadsheets, and making complex calculations won't be a problem. With a slim and light build, you will be able to carry it anywhere. In addition, the display will provide you with ample space thanks to the thin bezels. Another standout feature of this display is that you can use it with the help of your hands, which increases the comfortability in different situations. As the keyboard is an essential part of accountants, this device offers a comfortable and responsive one that saves significant time. You also will not feel any kind of stress after using it for long hours. Regarding battery capacity, this laptop can be considered one of the best laptops for accounting students and professionals as it doesn't have to be charged frequently. To sum up, you can definitely check out this product from Dell if you are searching for a premium product that will be a faithful partner in the long run. Though the price is a bit high, we don't see any other downfall of this device. In addition, you get to enjoy other special features like the fingerprint reader, touch screen, and anti-glare coating. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.